Hey guys, how's it going? I'm in Port St. Lucie, Florida, in front of one of my houses. I just picked up this week. We just started a trash out. You can see there's the roll-off container and all the trash in the house, right? So basically, first step, you can see this is pretty beat up house. By evidence of all the garbage and trash we had to pull out, we pulled out everything, all the carpets, furniture, everything that was left in the house. So I'm going to go now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the house so you guys can see what a house that's completely stripped out looks like. Okay, I just opened up the house, opened up the lockbox. Let's go ahead inside and take a look. All right, so first thing we're going to notice is the smell. This definitely does not smell great. What I'm smelling right now is what's a smell of cat urine, which is pretty common in some of these houses. It's not a great smell, pretty nasty. I like the layout of this kitchen over here. We got basically a nice setup, ample cabinet space. We've obviously already trashed out the old cabinets from the kitchen have been pulled out. I also like the fact that we've got this countertop over here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a granite countertop in. So basically this will be like a breakfast nook. The granite countertop will have nice granite over there, new cabinets, and it'll look pretty good, right? This is the dining room area and this is the living room area. And let's go ahead, show you guys the rest of the house. We've got central air right over here. I've got a central air hookup, so that's pretty good. And there's one bedroom. And here's another one. And this one you can see on the floors, they've basically ripped out the tile, the carpet already. And so, same thing on the other one, right? So, and then we've got two bathrooms. So basically this is what a typical house trashed out looks like. Now basically, we're only halfway through the trash out because basically the next step is they're going to come in here, they're going to rip out all this flooring. So this laminate flooring is all going to be ripped out. Ceiling fans are going to be ripped out. Pretty much everything is going to be ripped out, right? All the way down to bare bones. Obviously the drywall will still be there, and then we're going to start putting it back together. Put new kitchen in, put new appliances, new flooring, paint it inside and out, new bathrooms, and we'll be good to go. A house like this we purchased for $120. Rehab probably about $25,000. We should be able to put it on the market for $190. So even after commissions and everything else, it should be still a decent profit margin. So there's houses out there like this, right? So this house has actually got from a student of mine, who wholesaled it to me, and they found it on realtor.com, believe it or not. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Try to put out a video like this once a week to show you guys deals, how we're doing them, how we're finding them. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.